guess I should probably start off with explaining what we're going to try to do. I will not say today this will not be a one-time project or anything of the sort. What I will do, however, is I will take out my headphones so I don't sound like I'm in a wind tunnel. So, this may be a voiceover, this may be something else, but just for me and Matt to remember what's going on. So I have cut out myself an oversized piece of Damascus that I actually made up, shoot, I want to say a year and a half ago. I don't really know how this is gonna look, because I know I made this up for a big billet that I just ended up not doing anything with, thinking I was gonna do something with it. I really like the pattern. It's a W twist that I tried doing. It's not gonna look like other W twists, because back when I made this, I didn't know how to do proper twist Damascus. But I have wanted to, and probably will now, make my first ever straight razor. And I know what you guys are probably all thinking. Nathan, why are you, making a straight razor out of Damascus when you've never made one before? Shouldn't you start off with some cheaper materials before you go and, blow the bank on a piece of Damascus? And to that I say, no, you idiot. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna do what I want to do. This is my channel, okay? No, but in all seriousness, the only reason I'm doing this is because I'm out of material and I'm about to go on break. So I'm like, may as well do something. So I've seen other people do twist Damascus with these straight razors, and oh boy, do they look absolutely amazing. So that's what I'm doing. I drew up a quick sketch. This is probably not going to be relative to any other, straight razor you've seen, purely for the aspect of I don't use straight razors. I am an electric razor boy. I have a beard and mustache. People at my work like to say I don't, but they lie. They all lie. So yeah, no, I'm just gonna try to make one up. This is really just me trying to branch out into making folders eventually, whenever I get a milling machine in and some more precise drilling stuff. So yeah, I say let's just throw this into the forge. I'll let you guys have a close-up of the reference image that we're going off of. And we'll just go and get started. This will probably be a couple days worth of work. Yeah.